how to log in into eKincare employee portal. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you want and on the search URL, type in eKincare employee login. After that, press enter on your keyboard. Then you will be taken to this interface. Now, click on the first link on your interface that says www.ekincare.com or Corporate Wellness Program for Employees in India, eKincare. Click on that. Now, you will be taken to this official website of eKincare. Now, to log in, head over to the upper right corner. There you will find an employee login button. Click on that. Now you will be taken to login page. Here on your right hand side of this interface, first of all, enter your work email. Make sure you enter your valid work email and click on this checkbox that says terms and conditions. And after that, click on this continue button. And on the next page, you will have to verify your email address. Once you're verified, and for the verification, you will receive a verification code on your Gmail. So check your Gmail and after that type in the correct code. And once you're verified, you might be asked to enter your password. Type in your password. After that, click on login button. Then next page, you will be successfully logged in into your account. And that's how you can log in into eKincare employee portal. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe our channel. Do not forget to like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you one next video.